Before professionals trade, they don't open charts first. They open their checklist. That checklist comes before the charts because systematic preparation beats impulsive analysis every time. Today, you get your own printable re-entry cheat sheet to guide your trading decisions. Welcome to Money Mastery, your step-by-step guide to financial freedom and wealth creation. If the market scares you one day, tempts you the next, and confuses you every day in between, you're not alone. This cheat sheet brings you back to calm, clarity, and control whenever you need it most. Let's explore why checklists are essential for maintaining discipline and making better trading decisions. Human memory runs on emotion, while checklists operate on pure logic. That's the fundamental difference. Without a reminder system, traders fall into predictable traps, re-entering positions too quickly, ignoring their own risk rules, trading out of boredom, and getting caught in the same mistakes again. Think of a printed cheat sheet as your trading partner, quietly asking before each trade, "Are you sure this follows the plan?" Now let's look at how to actually use this tool in your daily routine. Here's the key. This sheet is not for the middle of the trade. It's strictly a pre-trade tool. Your daily routine is simple. Sit down, take a breath, open the sheet, read it aloud, and check each box honestly. The rule is absolute. If one box fails, you don't enter the trade. Here's the complete 8-point checklist that forms your trading discipline system. First checkpoint. Is the market calming down, showing smaller candles, less panic, and cooling volatility? If chaos remains, you wait, no exceptions. Second checkpoint. Do you see any quiet strength, like some sectors falling less or certain names holding steady? If everything bleeds together, you wait. Third checkpoint. Are breakdowns failing, with dips snapping back and sellers losing control? If breakdowns continue pushing lower, you wait. Fourth checkpoint. Is volume supporting the move, with buyers stepping in and more green volume days appearing? Remember this warning. If price rises without volume, do not trust it. Fifth checkpoint. Start small, only 20 to 25% of your intended position size. If you're going full size right away, that's a clear sign you're trading emotionally. Sixth checkpoint. Add in layers, but only when the strength continues to confirm your thesis. If you're adding because of excitement rather than confirmation, stop immediately. Seventh checkpoint. Is your protection active, with a stop loss placed and risk clearly defined? No stop loss means no trade. It's that simple. Eighth checkpoint. Are your emotions in check, meaning you're not angry, not chasing, and not bored? If your heart is racing or emotions feel loud, lower your position size. Now let's talk about making this checklist truly yours through personalization. Print it out, write your name on it, and own it. That's the sequence that builds commitment. When you sign something, you respect it more. That's just how our psychology works. Where you place this checklist matters for its effectiveness. Keep it beside your desk, on the wall, or taped to your laptop, anywhere your eyes land before your mouse does. A final rule: if the checklist doesn't approve, your finger doesn't click. Let's pause for a moment of reflection together. Which line hit you the hardest? Was it weight, small, stop loss, or emotions? Here's the core truth that changes everything about how we view trading losses. You don't lose in trading because you're stupid. Let that sink in. You lose because the market moves faster than your emotions can process. This cheat sheet slows you down just enough to make the right decision when it matters most. We're wrapping up with a few quick ways you can get more from this content and stay connected. If you'd like a printable copy, just check the pinned comment and description below. Start by liking the video, then share it with someone who could benefit from it. Especially share it with anyone who tends to jump into decisions too quickly. And subscribe to Money Mastery for your step-by-step guide to financial freedom and building real wealth. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.